The journey to Munnar is like a dream. These roads curve gracefully through hills, adorned with sprawling tea plantations. Miles of emerald green beauty, unfolding like a sea of tranquility. In these woods, dappled sunlight and an earthy aroma. Are we stepping into a fairy tale? The echoes bouncing off the hills. It's like having our own little concert with nature. Boating on these calm waters is pure bliss. Munnar is also a carnival of flavors. Every bite is a celebration of culinary delights. The warmth of the villagers is overwhelming. Capturing their smiles preserves the genuine hospitality that defines Munnar. Ziplining through the hills, we become acrobats. Every corner of Munnar is a frame-worthy spot. We are snapping at every prime location we find. It's truly one photogenic paradise. As the sun paints its final strokes, a cozy mountain tent awaits, sipping tea as the evening whispers sweet verses to the mountains. And now, under the starlit sky, we find ourselves on a mountain top, feeling like in a dream. Munnar, you have stolen our hearts.